Good morning, guys. I will be starting just momentarily. What's up, Nicholas? We're about to get started, and just a minute. I was watching FFHL for this morning, but give me 1 second, and I will be ready to go. What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading session. Today we're sitting here with FFHL on the charts, up 60%. It's a $14 stock. Gonna be trying a new little technique today as well. As much as I love scalping, there's been a lot of fakes up here to the highs. So I'm going to be instituting a little bit different strat today. But if the scalps come, if I can scalp, I will. But I also use the other strategy as well. So it formed this little bottom down here at the 1350. Nice 1350 bottom. We have about 20 minutes to the bell. Want to see how far down it can get. Can it break this 1360? The float on FFHL is 1.13 million or 1.25 million at FinViz. Two different floats, but they're very close, so I'm pretty sure they're pretty accurate. Very low float stock, and it's just in this range right now. I would love to see it work its way down a little bit more to try to take a small position just to start off. But let's look at the news as well. The news on this one: Wall Street gains is set for small gains, core personal consumption expenditures. That's nothing dealing with this stock. Let me see. Had news on the 17th, unaudited financial results, blah blah blah. Rallies and after hours. Okay, we'll just have to wait on open to see if it can dip down anymore, because this one just doesn't have the news for me to be entering right now. It's kind of like some hype news. but we've seen hype news go a long way before, so you never know. Trying to hold up this 5-minute 9 EMA right here on the 15-minute, but we will see. Can it work its way back down? The range is, it seems, between the 1490s and the 1360. So I love to buy on the lower end of this range. But anyway, if you guys see any other stocks that you are watching or anything, you can always drop them in the comment section. I will check them out and see what they're about as well. It's almost through its float one time, and that's what I usually look for. I want to see it get through that float at least one time and then start cycling through it. 1450 up there. GRVI, new IPO. I'm watching OSMT is testing its pre-market high, and but same shorts are hitting it. PIRS I'm watching as well. Okay, GRVI first. GRVI. Some news on this one. Doesn't have any news on the day. Still though, it's like you said, it's IPO, and it's definitely up from where it left off yesterday. Took it a while to get going, but when it got going, man, definitely be waiting on a nice pullback on that one. Let's see, the next one is OSMT. OSMT looking like it has some news on the day. Let's see what kind of news this one has. What kind of volume this one has. Let's see, OSMT news. So it's got news today. Pharmaceuticals announces conclusion of strategic process with agreement of sale of legacy business to. So they're selling some business to Allura. Okay. Nice. Gapping up. And the last one is good morning, Daniel B. The last one is PIRS. Is this an IPO too? Oh no. Alright, PIRS making its moves up there. It's got a CTGF inhibitor, PRS 222. What does it do? For idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. Okay. and $17 million grant for Bavarian government. What is this one? Let me see. That sounds pretty nice. So it has a float of 56 million, has shares outstanding, market cap. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. So all of those are moving. PIRS probably with that news may be a little bit of a chopper upwards. Maybe we'll have to see. FFHL is falling down, and I like it. Love to see it come down some more and test this bottom of the 1390s or the 14 level. Kind of sitting still there, very still. Let's go look at those other ones. PRS working its way down. It took a little bit of a dip there. What time is this? That was 7 o'clock. So sometimes at 7 o'clock, strange things happen anyway. So could have been one of those moments. OSMT. And then GRVI. Daniel B, what you watching this morning? Do you have any favorites on the day? The only favorite that I have is this FFHL. Could definitely move up quite a bit, but I am waiting for it to come on down. See if we can get under the $14. It's got the 1350 down here for a little bit of support. IKNX just exploded. What is the news on this one? TeraWulf to go public via merger with NASDAQ listed Iconics. Any research on that? Oh yeah, it should be popping into the scanner if it gets on up, gets that volume. But right now that volume is not where I want to see it. Let me go ahead and look this one up though. IKNX. Let's look at the floats for this one. Float is under a million in the float, so it says 0.67 in the float. Super volatile. IKNX. No shelf registrations on it. Very, very low float though. 872,000 shares in the float. So let me add that note. I just put 900,000 in the float. No shelf. All right. This one still needs to come down some, but I will be watching that other one because it's super low float. Where'd it go? IKNX. Yeah, that's a super big spread. Very easy to get faked in, faked out, and a very, very low volume for this big move. Look at that. This volume is not something you want to play with. Because it can snap down. This is somebody getting in before they say, hey guys, go and buy. This is what that is. I just want to see it fall. Where are the shorts at? Look at the daily chart up here. We got, it's at the 16s, so it's right up here at the 16s. I don't even know, that looks like the top right there. That's very dangerous to say the least. Definitely have to wait for some kind of fall. Which is what I'm waiting on over here on FFHL. Give me a fall. I don't really know which one's news is better, but this one should be making it on my scanner soon. $17 just sitting there. Isn't that scary? It was halted an hour ago pending news, so it must have been big news. Yeah, half hour ago on IKNX. Let me go check that. Yep. T1 and T2 halt and a T3 halt. It got three codes on it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I mean, the news is okay, I guess. Merger agreement. Still's got to fall some though. I don't trust it yet. It'll be popping on my scanner in just a little bit. Hasn't met the criteria yet. Let me keep my eye on this one as well. Ooh, that thing gapped down. Yeah, that doesn't look too good. Alright, are we going to see a fall here on this low volume? Or is it going to continue pushing? Are there enough buyers for the people that bought down here to drop on? Because they're going to take profit up here. At least a little bit. Has not cycled through his float yet though, so I'm not interested just yet. $4 minutes to the bell, man. 4 minutes to the bell, and things are probably going to get very, very interesting. Wouldn't be buying up here though. Even if it's going to go higher, it's a very, very risky position to take because it could definitely drop. $3 minutes to the bell, and it's kind of slowing down up here. Ugh. And then if you look at this 15-minute, okay, it ran up here, but can it hold this 1721 up? Already slipping down to it. Wow. Time I was saying it, it started slipping. Still has not reached this float yet, so just gonna wait. FFHL going on down there. Let's see, how far does it want to go? Because I wanted to buy around this lower edge of the range here. Let's see how far it'll push down. Good. All right, so I am going to take a very, I can't, the market isn't open yet. I forgot 5 minutes till it's going to get in on this low, but it looks like it's halting going downward. Oh, never mind, not halting. Just pause for a minute. Push down there, boys. All right, let's go look at that other one then. One minute to the open, and this was looking quite suspicious. I guarantee you it's gonna fly up though in that first minute, but it's okay, it'll just go without me. I'm okay with that. Wow, down to the 12s. I'm definitely let this one consolidate. 1281, if it can consolidate down here, that would be amazing. It's just now reaching its float, I think, too. So I'm gonna let that one consolidate a lot. IKNX going on up there. Why is it not popping on my scanner yet? Am I tripping? There it is. All right. Still very low float. It still has not reached its float. Market is open. It's going to push up some. There it goes. Oh, this drop is about to be glorious. Let's see it. Yeah, I'm waiting too, because this is ridiculous. This looks like a slaughterhouse. Down there by that $13. I'll get in a little bit down here to see if it can work its way back up. I'll enter small. See if it breaks down at 13 or can it hold. Broke down to 13, I'll wait. Both of them are red on the day. We already knew IKNX was going to go down, but let's see how much. GRVI halted. Huh. Yeah. That's one of those that let me go and read up on this one real quick. It's up 43%. It's got plenty of volume, but it's not meeting my other criteria. That's the only thing about it. So I'm definitely looking for a slam there. Not gonna play that game with it. Are these bouncing back up? FFHL trying to hold this bottom here. Let's see. Can we start forming a bottom down here? IKNX, is it still dumping? Okay, holding up there a little bit. Gonna wait for this candle to close, of course. Looks like it wants to go and challenge that 17, really. I don't really know. Yep, there it goes through the 17s to the 16s, going back down there to that resistance level that I marked on the daily chart earlier. See if it'll break it. That price is what, the 1620. Okay, ENX down 7. Alright, I do like it here. If it can form a bottom, start holding over that 1650, but it's not doing it. Continuing down. Okay. Look for a consolidation on IKNX. Oh. A lot of people getting in down here for some reason. Let's see if it goes red on them. Let this candle close. This candle has what, 4 minutes on it? Looks like it wants to get back up. There's some more red. Will it break the bottom here of the 1286, or will it just get close to it? 1286 right there. Let's see if it bounces off of it. Okay, stop before it. Can it get through it? Getting down there, touching it. Can we get back above it? Or are we gonna push on down? Okay, nice little pop there. But this topping tail on the 15-minute is causing me a little bit of strain right there. Don't really like that topping tail. IKNX, oh, halted going down. That is not friendly. So IKNX did go down to that level and it halted right on that level. Break of the 1620. Keep my eye up here. Can this one hold up a bit? What's up, One Life? Oh man, One Life. So I am instituting two strategies. Of course, you know I like scalping, but I am going to incorporate the dip buy as well. So I'm gonna start doing that as well. And what I realized, I don't have to take a lot with these stocks down low, as long as they go up pretty nice. One Life has entered the chat. Man of the hour. Well, actually, Daniel B and One Life, they're like right there together. Maybe I don't know who has the crown, but you know, maybe Daniel B, because he has his own Bible, so that's a real religion. Let's see. All right, this one is starting to look like it wants to hold down here. What is 3 minutes left? If you can pull back above this level, I'll get a little bit down here, possibly, because this was a big move down to a small little candle. I just add just a little bit. Right. All right, let's see. It's working its way. It's kind of slowing down here. Let's see. It's got 2 minutes left on this candle. Can we start to get that 75? We are not getting the 75. Looks like it wants to continue down. Let's see if it breaks down the 60s. It can hold the 60s. It may be okay. 70s. Okay, I like it. I'm going to go ahead and let's see. Not yet with that top and tail. I got to see this thing close. That's the only problem, that top and tail. It's the only problem. And it's back down to the 60s real quick. Got the 54s, a hidden buyer or a seller at the 54. Let's see what that wants to do. Huge move down there. Don't know don't know if I want to play that game. This thing's going down and touching 12. Let's see. We'll wait till this candle closes. I want to see it form a bottom somewhere. This is a lot of dipping, and it may continue to dip. This on the daily chart, I saw that the last support was like right here on the 1240s. Yeah, this one looks like it needs a paddle boat. IKNX. Can we come down a little bit? It came out of the halt higher, but now it's looking kind of spooky down here. Let's see if it breaks down this level here of the 1618. Can it break the 1618 here? Okay. 17s. Ooh, it got all the way back down to the 17s that quick. Ooh, that was nasty. A lot of people trying to buy that. I think they're about to get crushed by the shorts. Hopefully not though. Maybe it'll hold up. Let's see. That bottom low was a 1650. Will it break the 1660s? There it is, breaking on down. got down there to the 1615s. Can it break it? Have a little bit of support here. These are both very low volume stocks. Where's that note that I put on IN? Oh, okay, there it is. I guess I can put it up there. Yeah, this one has 900,000 in the float. Did a little dip, bounced off that level right there. Still not trusting it. It may go back and retest that level with this type of 15-minute. FFHL, definitely looking like a fader right now. Don't really like it. So this one has come to the bottom. 1610 could be the out for this one, which I may play. May play that 1610. I wish it would dip just a little bit more back down here, so I can get an entry closer to the 1610, but it looks like it's not gonna let me. I play small ball with it though. Love to see a little bit more pressure down here one more time. Maybe it's not going to give it to me. It's holding the 75 right there. And I'm thinking about entering small here. Let's see if it pulls back. There's a little bit of a pullback. A lot of red on the tape. 82, 81. The bids are going down for it. I'm gonna let this candle close. Got about 2 minutes left on this candle. OSMT is much stronger. Yeah, it does have a nice setup. Pretty sure I'll get chopped out of that one though. Okay, getting down there. Can we get closer to the 1610s? Can we break the 1610s? Nines. Getting bought up there a little bit. Let's see if it can hold that 1610 out. Alright, breaking down to 1610. I think I'm not gonna take this one. Looks like it wants to dump a little bit. Yep, to the 16s. Really don't like that. Alright, the other one that you guys said was OSMT. Getting absolutely hammered down here. Let's see, the bottom is a 426. Ooh, I don't like trading stocks like this. I'm just gonna watch this one. If it goes, hey, I hope you guys get rich without me, but it's not meeting my criteria. I've gotten burned by these before. Let's see, MIRN, GRV, PIRS. What did these do? Okay, that one went down. That one came out of the halt, went a little bit higher. Let me see. IKNX did continue to kind of fall. Has room all the way down here to the 1398. A lot of falling. Have to wait for some consolidation on one of these to see who's going to be the one. Okay, so I do like this one. I will play this one. The bottom here is the 1236. So let's see if we can take a little bit of profit off of this one. Getting a little bit of consolidation. There's a nice pullback. How many minutes? 3 minutes. See if we can get another dip under the 90s, and I add small. Ah, that was quick. It's getting quicker. Okay, 87. Can we dip down to the 85s? Okay. Added a little bit there. Break the 75s. Sitting right there, not really showing me anything. Okay. Okay, added a little bit more. We'll see how that plays. This one went up. Alright. We'll let that play for now. I don't really know what it wants to do. It's got a little bit of consolidation. Low is a 1236 down here. IKNX still looking very, very bad. Had a little bit right there. 20 shares in. Let's see if we can get off this bottom. Nice. Up that 48 cents. It's nice, nice. The low is a 1267. Shares 1267 is the low here. We'll see if it can hold up. The low 1250. So 1249. Have to be out. 80 cents right there. Nice. See if it can hold up. $12.49 is my all out. Let's see if that can make its way up. FFHL. And One Life's always complaining about my scanner. He's like, oh, you're only watching one stock. Well, you know, sometimes it works out. We're going to let this one ride. $12.75. If it can push up, then I'll probably start to look to take, but not just yet. Super low float can definitely go a little bit more. All right. Let's go look at this other one as well. IKNX. Ugh. I don't know about that one. I'll stay over here with what I got for now. Almost up $1. Let's see. So I don't want to see it back below the 13. It'll be a break, almost a break-even trade. Holy Jesus, it got down there quick. It's all good. I'm still safe. Glad I didn't put that order in yet. I'm gonna let it work for me. Can we get those 40s up there? Very volatile stock, hey. Super close to my stop out. Can it get the 70s back up there? 71s, 72s, 76s. Can it pop back over the break even? This will be the new low, this low of the 1250s. Low of the 1251, 1249, acting kind of crazy. Oh, gonna stop me out here. That's a lot of push. Yep, got me out right there for a small little loss. I'm okay with that. IXN halted. Ah, ALF also up quite a bit. Oh, ALF always going up, isn't it? Could buy the dip and play a 3-bar play right here, which I'm thinking about doing. Let's see how much it dips. Looking for a little bit more dippage. There are the 40s. Can we see the 35s? Okay, it's pulling up. On the daily chart, the high was the 1667. Holding up those 50s right there. Do like it. May take a quick scalp here. Let's see if it pulls back again. Is this a fake? Huh, not very likely. Is it a fake? Yeah, I'm not buying up here. We'll see where IKNX. Now, IKNX had the best news on the day, I believe. This one just has hype news, but we'll be watching IKNX out of that halt. Yeah, that top and tail just does not look good. What time did it halt? IKNX halted at 9:56:58. 9:56:58. So it should be opening up at the 10:01:58. Yeah, it's a death wish on AFL. That's why I kind of looked at it and I was like, I don't know about that. Glad that I sold out of this one where I did. It's pushing down, so starting to stair step down. The IKNX we will be watching for the 9 or 10:01:58. 10:01:58. We'll see how it opens up. May have to play it quite quickly. It's such a low float. Yeah, AFL looking heavy. FFHL did not continue, but we are okay. All right, 58 seconds left. Oh, let's see what it's got. Let's see what it's got. Super low float. May have to wait for this one to give a pullback. I don't want to get caught in something crazy here. Because that float, man, the shorts can attack it so heavy with their volume. Won't be pretty. Let's see how high it opens up. Should be opening. There it is. Can we get the dip down? Get a little bit more of a dip down here. Nope. Can we get the dip? A little bit more of a dip, please. Oh, close that gap. There we go. There we go. Can we 1850 holding? In small there. See if we can get a push out. Holy Jesus. Well, it got a push, just not a push out in the right direction. It's probably halted right there. Very small share size. Praise God. All right, ALF. Looked like it was gonna hold that dip, but it didn't. Opened higher, gave the dip down, and then dipped way down. So 25 shares. We don't want to see a break of the, what, 15 here? 1549. Actually, I'm gonna have to see where it opens up. Let me see what kind of news came out on this halt. Okay, and I need to refresh this. There it is. Okay, it's just volatility. Volatility halt. Did not give much time to do anything right there. ALF. Not taking any breaks. Right? ALF, man, they're just going, man. They don't care, but I think it's gonna drop. But we'll see. What time did this one halt? This one halted at the 10:02:55, so it should open up at the 10:07:55. We'll watch for it. That was a crazy move off the top. Came out, gave a little bit of a dip, held that level, and was looking for higher, but just could not get it. Stair stepping its way down there. Well, I think that was a good trade where I entered. I just was expecting it to go a little bit higher. It just did not. Maybe I could have peeled off some, but it was only 20 shares. So I was like, what could go wrong, right? I guess this position would be a lot worse if I had 2,000 shares, right? Let's see where it opens up. Here we go on the 55 here. Will it open up at the $6? We'll see. Go 5 seconds left. Where are we going to open up? Okay, about the same level. Not as bad as I thought. Definitely not going to buy the dip here though. Alright, so 13s. Want to see a base out here because it can definitely go higher. Can we hold over this level of the 1511s? Draw my support. AUD going up there, looking quite nice. What is this? 15. Gotta be out. It can't pull up. 15. I'll go ahead and jump out of this one. Or do I really want to do that? Even though this 15-minute looks drastic, it'd be a different thing if I had 100 shares. Let's see if we can consolidate anywhere in here. Got to get back above the 16s. Can we get it? Not looking likely. Needs to get back over the 16s quickly. It's to hold the 75. Can we see the 75s back up there? See the 70s. There's a little bit of buying. Can we get back above the 1610s and start to hold there? Nice. Can we hold those 1610s up there? Can we see those 30s? See the 25s. Can we see the 30s? There's a 30, 31. There's somebody hidden right there at the 30s. Alright, yeah, 15-15, I'm gonna have to cut it. I can't play with it any more than that. Go ahead and put my stop out there. If it breaks that level, I'm out. AFL consolidating nicely. Can we get any buying over the 16? $16.01 not showing up. 16.17, 16.16s. Come on. 16.05, 16.10s there. May get a little bit of a pop through the 10 if possible. Yep, the longs are out of it. Alright. Low of this one is the 15.50. I'll be out at the 49, 15.49 there. Can't really play with it any more than that. AFL still up there playing around. Yep, it's gonna knock me out here. It's getting close. I don't know what it wants to do, but it's getting definitely close. As low as a 15.55. It's got to push back above the 16s. Alright, 17's coming into play here. It's tried to go down multiple times. Okay. Looking like AFL is finally getting a true attack from the shorts. Can we get over the 75s is the question, but there's a lot of selling pressure here. And I'm not willing to hold. Breaking the 70s or tapping the 70. Got to get a break of the 75 or it's going down. Yep. Breaks that 50, I'm gone. It's over with. That halt resumption, man, got me. FHLL, still not looking too good. Yep, about to get me out finally. Can't hold 50. Back up to the 75 again. It's got a 1 minute left on this candle. I think it's gonna dive in this next minute. Yep, out. Cut it right there. All right, let's look for other opportunities. Sometimes they go good, sometimes they go really, really bad. Oh, I forgot I was. Oh my goodness. These shouldn't even be on my scanner. They're completely red on the day. I forgot I was tinkering with my scanner the other day. But either way it goes, just bad positioning. Well, one good position on that other one, IKNX? Not IKNX, FFHL was some good positioning, but we'll see. Maybe they'll come back up later. I don't know how much I'm down on the day yet. I'm down 90 bucks. So let's see what we got. 90 bucks. I think I started with what I start with like 1500, 1400 today. But now things are looking drastic. Dang beat, it is done, Hal. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, I went ahead and got out. That's why I set my stop right there. I was like, it's over. Gotta know when to say it's over. All right. AFL 733. Like it. Dang, slow down, bro. I'll play VWAP on this one since it's so close to VWAP. 1620. Let this one pull back a little bit though. 15 minutes still looking questionable. Whew. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Let it pull back. Can't take it too far too fast. AUDD. It's another one that's just kind of cramming up. Can we see any pullback real quick before it decides to go to the moon? That was a quick little bounce off VWAP and then a go. Gap and go or whatever. Not gap and go. Like a really quick 3-bar play on the 5-minute, but it only went up 1772 up to the 80s. So the break of the high of 10 cents. Wow, it's not planning on coming down, is it? Volume is super low. 2 million shares traded. Yeah. Letting this candle close up. It's got 2 minutes left. Went a long way really fast. Oh man. Can we get any more pullback off that 75? It looks like it's just going to continue to pump up a little bit. Okay. Well, ALF was not a dud on the day. Should have been the only thing I was trading. I accidentally put those red stocks on there, the ones that are red on the day, but whatever. We'll see. Can we get a pullback here? Is that it? Give us more of a pullback, man. Stop playing. Give us a little bit more red. Come on. All right, yeah, we can get a little bit. Give us a little bit more red. There we go. Is that it? Let me get down through that 75 real quick. Yeah, AFL $15 move in 8 days. Yeah. Did you swing AFL? Did anybody swing AFL? Waiting for this candle to close. This kind of goes back green. It may be a problem. I may have to jump in here. Challenge that 75. Looking like it still wants to go a little bit. Oh my God. Come on and challenge. Needs to close green here. Needs a red candle. SPCE. Give me 1 second. Give us some red. Come on, shorts. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Need some red here. Needs to break down at 18. Looks like it wants to continue. I may have to start scalping this because this thing is just insanity. Maybe a little bit too late now though. I was waiting for it to bottom out, consolidate. Alright, 30 seconds on this candle. We need this to close red. Please find a top. Oh, come on, man. Are we going to see our famous red now? Oh my gosh, bro. Are we seriously playing this game today? All right. What do you do? What do you do? AIE. I was in there when I saw. Wait, AEI. I was in this one, but I sold my position. I sold right back here. It looks like it's still in that same range. Yeah, this one, it's just got to calm down. It's got too much going. Probably be at $20 by the end of the day. Look on the daily chart. Well, it's at all-time high, so there is nothing higher than this. And now it's not even in a good scalpable position. Like, you don't even know where to get in. It can easily snap back. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient here. Try to reduce the load. It's gotta start dropping at some point. This thing's cracking 80. Needs to stay below the 75 here. This is an extremely strong stock. It should have been the one I was watching today. It's the only stock on my scanner now that I made the adjustment. IKNX. This stupid thing. Does look like it wants to test those highs, doesn't it? It's got two minutes left on this candle. All right. Let's see if it can pull back some, or is it just gonna go like the other one? Holy Jesus. Somebody just bought that. Yeah, it shook me out, man. It shook me out. Now it's finally back green on the day. Can it hold the green for the day, though? It's got to get up and give a pullback. This is what my scanner should have looked like, but I played around with the settings last night, and I was like, these stocks are up on here on my scanner. Should I trade them? Sure. Sure. Alright, this thing's pushed all the way up to 19 bucks. That's got to pull back. This one's definitely got to pull back. See if it can stay green on the day. Going back red on the day. Let's stick with AL, F. It's got a long way to fall. Oh my goodness, man. Well, yeah, IKNX is not looking so hot right now. Needs to close a red candle above VWAP. This is just gonna keep going up. I mean, it doesn't care anymore. It's like, you know what? Today is the day that I take everybody to the moon. Everybody that I can. You know what? That one's trying to hold up the green, but I don't like the weakness trying to hold up the green. Oh my gosh, this thing's going to $20. Oh my gosh. It's going to 20, boys. Unless this is a major fake, it's going to 20. I mean, can you even... Okay, there's some shorts entering right there. 1916. Let's see, can it break down? Oh my gosh, yep. It looks like it wants to go. I just can't play this game. Um, criteria for the, oh my god. I'm looking for low floats, looking for low outstanding shares, looking for things over 20%, looking for market cap below 1,000, and just green on the day. That's it. Oops. IKNX still struggling. All right, we'll wait for it to pull back. Optimists are trading what? AFL? I'm not about to scalp this. It's too extended. It can snap back at any second. It's like a rubber band now. It's so extended. It only has downward potential now. Nah, man, I'm only down 90 bucks. Not throwing my computer for that. If I was down 200 bucks, then you would see the stream end. Really slowing down in the volume over here on IKNX. So yeah, this was just a missed. It was a missed opportunity today. I definitely literally watched it come down here and do this little dip, and I was like, should I take this? And it took off. You know, that was a $2 move right there. Definitely would have made all my money back. But hey, if you don't press the button, it's not gonna happen. Here comes the red. Finally, is it gonna rain? When it rains, does it pour? Okay. Wow. This would have. Oh my goodness. This would have been a nice trade. But you know what? Hindsight trading, it could have been a lot worse for me today. Actually, it started off pretty good with that 20 shares going up almost $1 that I should have took profit on, but I was looking for it to continue. So that was one bad move. And then the other bad move was trading IKNX out of that halt. So IKNX went into the halt, dipped down, and it held the range. So I was like, okay, just gap fill. Got in, kept going down. So that was 2 strikes. Then AFL here, I don't want to make a strike 3 on AFL. You know what I'm saying? It's just not worth it to me. All right. So we got this one looking like it wants to enter party town. It did do the pullback, but we'll see. We'll see how this one. It's got what, 4 minutes left on this candle. It's only up 3% on the day, which is not not really what I look for. See if we can push up. Yeah, this one's moving a little bit slow. I don't know if I can trust that. AFL giving a little bit of a pullback. I want to see some downward movements, because literally this was the perfect downward movement right here, and I just looked at it and pretty much just let the breeze pass me by. Up 4% on the day. Getting real choppy right there. I guess people are trying to make it break this this high right here. It's kind of getting some popping action in here. Or it could be shorts, you know, getting their short fields there. Anyway, so AFL did come down. I am looking to buy the dip on AFL. It's had such a long run, but I definitely want to see it come down some more. This daily chart, man, this almost looks like a came down, trend line going here, came all the way down and exploded today, back to the $20. Came up to the 16, down, boom. Insanity. Let's come on down. All right, this one's up quite a bit, now up 10% on the day. Or since the open, rather, 10% since the open. All right, well, looks like this is a scalper's day, I guess. People that are scalping are probably getting it in. Let's see if it does some eyeball stuff again. It did just pull a red to green, so holy Jesus, man. I might have to play this one small. Small little scalps here and there. Anybody? See if it pulls off those highs. Okay, it's kind of pausing there. A little bit scary. All right, let's take little scalps then. 21.50. But the thing about little scalps, it's not going to eat into my loss on the day that well. I need something that's a little bit better. AFL coming down here. Oh boy, I tell you what. Today, man, today got weird fast. Wow, man. This one definitely shook me out. I felt so endangered down here. But yeah, I was okay. I was okay. But hindsight trading, man, is a beast. See if ALF looking like it's trying to find a new bottom down here. Let's see how far it falls. Can it challenge the bottom down here around the 18s again? It's got the 1936 it needs to hold up. We'll see if it can hold that level up. AFL still trying to get back up as well. Can we dip back down like to the, what is this? 1850s is where it touched off of. We dip back under the 19s. Under the 19s, please. It's got 30 seconds left on this candle. Looking quite strong. Yeah, I think I'm gonna look for let's see, the top of this one is a 1957. I just don't see any scalp opportunities because it's slowing down so much. Okay, try to go up, try to go down. Will it break the 50? Did not break the 50. 45s. 51 breaking back down. See 40s there, needs to hold up the 50s. 54. I'm gonna play small ball up here. Let's take a little bit of profit off of it. See if it can break that high. See any red, I'm out. Oh boy, I don't know what this thing wants to do, man. It's just up, 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 and away. That's it. That's all it knows. It's up, 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 and away. Taking some off. Not really trusting it here. Getting a little heavy. Taking all off right there. I just don't trust these stocks, man. This one completely slowed down. Got up there to the 2023. Well, I don't have enough capital to make that money back unless I get a super good setup here. But I just don't see it coming. IKNX may be a play, but I don't know. I don't really know here. If it can show me some red over this level, I'll be very interested. It's got a little bit of a range here, 2188. Put that resistance right there. Want to see some red back down to this level. AFL is not playing games. Wow. Today, man, just could not get any kind of reads out here. Not good ones anyway. Playing these $20 stocks, pretty big ranges, so if they do dump, it's gonna hurt. This one's back under 20 as well, going back under the 90s, 86s, 83s. Will it break the 80s? Yeah, I mean, there's potential for scalps, but I just don't have the capital today to be scalping a whole bunch. Maybe IKNX, if it can hold this red here. Maybe it has another little move in it as well. Definitely not receiving volume though. Bro, this thing is insane. It's not good, man. Oh, I hit my max loss. I forgot about that. Crap. Yep, okay, that one's dipping down as well. We'll see how much it dips. Nice little dip down. Wow. Nice little top and tail there. This one faked over the highs right here, sucked in some longs, and now on its way down as well. This one was only up 3% on the day. So this move was from the 19 up to the 21. Still a very nice move, even though it's up very little. We got to see who's going to be the one. You know, one good thing, one life that I did see today, um, when I bought low, if I would have sized in a good bit more, I would have been pretty okay on the day. I probably could have just went that one trade today and been good. But that trade was also red on the day, and I usually don't trade those because they don't continue. Like you said, it definitely did not pass that. I think you said the pre-market, past the pre-market high. It didn't do that, and so it had way more potential to go down than up. Daniel B, what is all this hostility? What is all this hostility towards me, man? Vizio with this stall. Well, actually, if you think about it, with the stocks that I trade, ALF met all of my criteria. I just played it wrong. That was on me. Today, all the loss that I took was completely human error. So I take full responsibility and accountability for that. Because the money was there in ALF. It was there. There's no doubt about it. But every day, you know, VZIO with a stall. Yeah, it's got a nice flat top right there. Daniel B's probably gonna buy it for the break of this flat top. 250,000 shares for the break of that flat top. All he needs is 1 cent. Daniel B. Oh my gosh. Daniel B is ruthless. Man, I messed myself up today. But it's all good. This was with the smaller account size, which is why I'm already down on capital. Oh, I need to start dumping some money in here. It makes me so mad, but still I understand that it doesn't make any sense just to be dumping money in here. I need to be um, definitely taking the opportunities that I see, because this was a huge missed opportunity right there. But anyway, ALF is definitely putting on the scuba suit slowly. It's got those two topping candles up there. IKNX still doing his thing as well. We'll see if it can break down this bottom of the 1836, or maybe it'll hold up. It is within this range though that I wanted it to be in, but it's kind of risky right now. Bottom here is a 1715. A little bit of support right there. Let's see what it wants to do. Will it break this 19 here? Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's holding the bottom of this range. I may actually, let's see if it can hold this. Looks like it can hold it. I like the bottom of this range. I may take some down here just to play to the highs in this dip. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Add a little bit at the bottom of this range. I do like it. Not trying to get faked out again though. So right now my all out is I'm gonna move it down here to this last midpoint, 1721. And look for more ad spots. See if it can hold up. Can we pull back a little bit more? Whoops. 15, and I'll be all out at that 17, 20, whatever it is. Somebody just dropped some love here. Let's go check out who that was. Cygnus Orion. Appreciate the follow. We're making a little moves here, and I would like to have had a complete green day, but sometimes things happen out of the control. So ALF finding a little top. I'm done with ALF. I can't play with that one. 1721 will be my all out. Still looking for some more entry points. 1721, 1719. Kind of accumulating around the bottom of this range right now. Can it hold up to 19? Sitting right around the 1904. With such a low float, I was expecting it to get much more of some kicks here. But we'll see. $9.10 on the bid. So it could definitely drop, what, 10 cents, 15 cents to the 10. ALF finally going down. Can it hold this range? Need to see some buyers above the 19, but not seeing them. See, 1887s, it can fall quite a bit here to the 87s. Can we start to hold those 10s? Added a little bit there. Getting closer to the 10s. Want to get my position all set up here in this range. 1721. Can we hold up those 10s? Not seeing anything above the 19s right now. $19.01, $19.05, $19.08, 12s, and a little bit more there. $17.21. Can it hold this range? $17.09. So a break of the 17, 16, 99 would be the out point there. Or wait a minute, is that the right place? We'll see. Not trying to get shaken out again. It's holding this little range. VWAP 1818. So the break of the $18 is looking quite questionable. But I got shook out on the last one when it did this, so I'm gonna put my all out right down here and look for more ad spots. 1585. But that's a long way. 1585 is $3. Can we see those 19s get back up there? Adding a little bit there, getting back into the range. Don't have any more money to trade, so I'm gonna let this one ride out. $17.21 be my out. 21. Actually, we'll use a 9 here. 17.35. 30 shares in. So it crosses below that 9. Just gonna have to jump out. If I could just make 30 bucks, that would be nice. That'll put me back. Let's see, I'm down 85 bucks, so you know, make 30 bucks, it'll put a nice little dent in that red day. But I don't know if it can do it. It's kind of iffy right now. STRR is also there. What's the news on that one? 50 plus country or companies to present at Access Giving Virtual. Okay, that's nothing. Back over to IK. Yeah, Daniel B, it's a good point. Either way it goes, you're gonna have some red trades, but you gotta kind of just take it as it goes. Down 72. I would like to get back under 50 would be great. If I can get back under 50, that's my max loss. Wholy. Chill, bro. Chill. Can we start holding up the 50 here? Get any buyers at the 50? It's holding within this range, but that move right there was kind of questionable. I see 51. Don't see the 50s yet. Don't see 51s. Don't see anything over the 50, so it can definitely drop here. Needs to get over that 50 level quite quickly. Can we see a 51 here? Anything above the 50s would be great. All right. I am serious. Go and study more psychology about the stock market and yourself. You need this. I do need this, don't I? I do need to study in the stock market so I can make these losses smaller because my entries are horrible, and I need to take some time off, man. My entries are horrible. They're trash. They're not lining up with Daniel B's specifications. So gotta get better. Oh, I gotta get better. Daniel B, save me. Save me from myself. Oh, save me, Daniel B. I need you, Daniel B. I need you to give me back what I've lost to the market. Please save me. Save me, Daniel B. Save me. I need you. Oh, you said this is a selling area right here? I don't know, man. It may be. They may dump. I've seen worse. Last time I got shook out right here, it looked like it was going to be a buying area, but then I got shook out and I was like, well, what do I do now? You know? What do I do now? Will this stock be a volatile stock? Oh, selling as in taking profits. Got you. $18.22, $18.20 breakdown. I have to get on out here. If it can't get back over this halfway point of the range, it's probably going to go on down. So I'm just going to go ahead and get ready to get out. $18.20s. Can we see the 61s? 61s if possible. Nope. I don't know what it wants to do, man. Looking real questionable right now. See some set action at the 70s right there. Don't really know what all that's about. Can we see the 80s pop here? You sell on backside weakness. You never ever short sell stocks that make new high. You always sell on the backside weakness. That makes sense. $74s, $69s. Can we break that 20? Can we see a 21? There's 2012 right there. 2034. So there's the $50. Let's see. I'd like to keep some of that in my pocket. See if it can break the 50. Maybe this won't be a 90 loss day, you know. Uh, 2057 right there was the last resistance. Did make it to halfway of the range, so maybe it's a good sign. I'll be out at the 24 right now. Got to get out there. 24s. I have to get out down here if it snaps down. Let's see if we can get any more help through the top. Can we break that 75, 35s, 40s? Can we get a blast through the 50? There's 50 on the bid. Can we get some 51s in there? See a lot of action at the 50s, making me kind of wonder what it wants to do here. Okay, 48 on the clock. Can we stay above the 75 or no? 41s. Nice. 21s. Nice. Down $26. All right, boys. I'm gonna look to lock in some of this because I do not want to get absolutely destroyed on the backside of this. Let's see. All the way up there. Can we break that 2150? Breaking it. Okay, nice. 22 bucks. Let's see if we can go a little bit higher. It'd be a green day for me. Get me back out of this this pool. What's this low? This low is the 1950. 1950. All right, what am I trying to do? Cancel last. Okay. Up a little bit. Take a little bit off there just to lock in some. Take some more off. I'm not trying to be Superman here. I'm already green on the day, so why be super? Actually, I don't know what my position is. Okay, 15 shares left. So 10 shares left now, so it's a guaranteed green day. I just did not want to play that game with it. Looking for it to kind of hold up. Let's see if it can push out a little bit more. Nice. All the way back to a green day. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. $4 up on these shares. Taking more profit. 7 shares left. Taking more profit. Squeezing it off. Can we push? I don't really care. Taking more profit. 5 shares left. All the way back to the green on the day from $90 loss. Taking profit. $4 or 4 shares left. Taking. Let's see. Taking. Getting a little weak at this 75. I got 2 shares left. I don't really care now. So it can come back down to this low of the 21.91. I'm gonna get out at the 21.89 here. I literally 2 shares left, so you know, sell right there on the bottom if it crashes. Got 2 shares left, baby. Up $4.43 on this position, which is insanity. So glad I didn't shut down the stream because I was aggravated. But anyway, finally got a move. Finally got the move that I was looking for. And it's still blessing. I'm going to go ahead and take off another one up here at the top. I only got 1 share left, which isn't going to do anything. If it breaks, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take right there. Don't even care. Green day right there. Nice green day. Let's go look at these realized gains. $4.69 in the profit there on 30 shares. So made all of this initial loss back. Praise the Lord. Daniel B. Oh my goodness. Had to get on out of there. People getting a little choppy up there, so got on out of there. But anyway, hey, down $100. Back up, man. Daniel B, if I could shake your hand right now and give you a high five, I know you would give me a high five too. Because I did not want to close this week up that red. But hey, it took $700. So if you're trading a $500 account, took, let me see what that 30 shares was. It took that 30 shares 25. So around $400 for that position. So, man, that was a crazy move. That was a crazy move. Think about it, though. I was down $90. That was a $200 move on 30 shares, if you think about it. Because I was down 90. It recovered the 90 and left me with 22 bucks. So $120. Oh, my goodness. I don't know if One Life is still here, but hey, you know. 100, and this is why now, Daniel B. This goes back to what's on my scanner. Is my scanner doing a good job? Is it though? Is what the criteria that I'm looking for? Is it doing a good job? Now, what I can say is, I probably should have just had these two up here. If I had more capital to put in, boy, I could have really got a blessing today. But still, I think that walking away green is enough blessing for me. I'm good. I'm not trying to get punched on. Beat my chest. $57 left. I can't do anything with $57. Let's see if the red comes here, because these low float stocks, what happens is they move up very quickly in a very short time period, and they go down very quickly in a very short time period. So like this right here, this high, hold on now, 24.15 up to the 24.67 or 76. I mean, yeah, I'm done for the day, bro. I played my hand. I won't say I played my hand perfectly, but I looked at the range that it was forming here, and I was like, okay, this thing has a lot of potential to the upside. And so we see that potential explode, $4 into the profit. Oh, well, the reason that I'm excited is because I'm not sitting on $100 loss today. That's why I'm excited. So it's like, but I'm also excited because I know with the amount of money that I have right now, I can't hurt I can hurt myself. So if I were to buy the top and hold right now, you know, it would probably put me back in the toilet. But I'm okay, man. 20 bucks is a Subway sandwich, 3 cookies, a vitamin water, and a little bit of gas. So I'm okay with that. I made my lunch, but I'm already cooking lunch already. It's in there cooking right now. But because I've noticed that I need something to eat like right after I get off. Read one more time what I wrote. Okay. Daniel B wrote, okay, he said, sell, good job, yes, since. All right, never ever get too much excited or sad when you win or lose. Stay calm and think why you win or why you lost. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. Yeah, the reason that I won here was, and I know Daniel B is not going to like this. One, it is above the VWAP, already in the uptrend. Two, it was holding this range. So, like you said earlier, based on my experience and my knowledge, that's what I was looking for. So, you know, that's what I usually scalp. But I was trying to play the dip under the VWAP, and it just got me murdered. But anyway, this one's about to take a little plunge. It's scuba suiting up. It's up 109%. So, I mean, there's still plays that can be made on it, but it's got to dip down. But yeah, man, y'all saw it, man, live action. Daniel B is my witness. He can sign off on it. He's like, yes, he was down $100. But what I want to do is get to the point where my trading, when I do size up, like really sizing, because that was 30 shares, $4 on 30 shares. When I really do size up on these moves, I want to put myself in the absolute best position to make the money. Because I mean, when you're going in like with Daniel B, he's trading 5,000 shares. So like, you know, 5,000 shares on a $4 move is fantastic. But those losers though can take your soul. Yeah, pay attention to details. Daniel B says, pay attention to details, extreme attention. That's what makes the difference between a good trader and retards. Daniel B, I don't know if that word is YouTube friendly, but I said it, so if this video gets flagged, I'm blaming you. Oh, Daniel B's not trading 5,000 shares on these bipolar stocks, so he's trading like 200 or something. All right, well, that was a nice move. I did sell because I did not. I mean, once I got to the green, why hold? Because it can easily whoop, be sporadic on you. Anybody want to take Daniel B's course, his personal course that he has? It's a collection of information from different traders all over the world. Traders that do more long-term investing, but they do they have a lot of experience with long-term investing. You know, like 5 to 7 years or even longer. So if you want to check out Daniel B's Bible that he has set up, make sure that you pay your tithes and offering, and you know, everything will go well. Daniel B asks nothing in return but that you worship his name and the ground that he walks on. That's it. That's it, man. Easy. Easy money. $2,000 2 years ago. Hey, he bought it for $2,000 2 years ago. Wait, Daniel B, did your course come down in price during the bug? Are you selling it for a lot cheaper now? Cause I know, man, Daniel B's got the sauce and the seasoning. Because the thing is, Daniel B, he catches stuff. You know how they say buy low, sell high. Daniel B, he catches stuff at the pivotal point. I don't know what he's using, but apparently he has indicators in his head that he doesn't believe that are real. And so that's why he pretty much kind of downplays all indicators, but in his head they exist. And you know, it's nothing he can do about it to remove it, but he can deny the fact that they are relevant. But I think Daniel B definitely has a lot of pointers that you can listen to, mental pointers, because you know he trades naked charts. Absolutely nothing on the charts. I believe that if he had a line on his chart, it would irritate him to the point he would throw his computer. Oh, but anyway, enough trolling Daniel B. He's definitely a good trader. Jesse Livermore told me how to do it. Hey, from the words of the prophet himself. Guys, we gotta go and check out. Make sure everybody goes and checks out Jesse Livermore on YouTube. He's got videos. I watched a couple of them. Check out his YouTube, and if you're interested in his books, hey, go and get those too. This is not a promotion. I'm not getting paid to say this. I'm just saying, you know, free info. Especially if you want to go into longer term investments. That's definitely the way to go. All right. ALF slowed down, STR down. Nice moves today, man. Very sporadic movement, but I liked it. And it's 10:30. It's still good. I can have the rest of my Friday without crying the rest of the day after I get off stream. So that's great. Oh, my stolen camera is supposed to be here today as well. So they stole it from UPS, and they actually GPS tracked the camera down, and they're gonna be giving it to me today through FedEx. So yay! So guys, if you're going to steal from UPS or FedEx, they do have GPS trackers on their devices. So just FYI, just letting you know, they will track you down. Um, don't watch Ross Cameron and those other retards. Yeah, the thing is, the way that they trade is because they have so much money. Like Ross Cameron, he makes so much money on his courses. It's insane. Insane. So to try to keep up with his strategy, you need to be definitely having other sources of income feeding into your account, because that's what he's doing. He's got like what, 9, 10 sources of income, and people watch him trade and they're like, oh, this must be his only source. No, he's not out here losing 150K and being okay with it, because he's all of his income comes from the trading. He's cool because he knows in the next 3 days he'll make that 150 back with his courses. You really. But anyway, that was a nice little move there. I think I'm gonna close it down. Well, no, I can keep rolling. I don't have to do anything. I can actually work on some. No, I don't want to work on anything right now. I actually want to go and check on my food real quick. I will be right back because I am cooking at the moment, and it's been cooking this whole time that I've been up. So from 8 o'clock to 10:40, or it'll be 9 o'clock Eastern. Let me go check my food real quick. Alright, back. Hey, we might get another try, huh? Let's see, what can I get? 2 shares? Let's see if we can squeeze off. Yep, 2 shares. Let's see, what's the high of this one? The high of the 70s. 71 for a try. Right through there. What? 71. Oh, I can't get 2 shares there. Oh, man. Alright, let's try that. 1 share. What? It says I can get 2 shares. Why is it playing? Placing this order, blah blah blah. Why is it bringing that up? I know that. I don't understand why. But I already know that. Yeah, I'm not gonna take that trade. It's playing around. I don't know what's up with that. I'm gonna check my settings here. It shouldn't be bringing that message up. Trading notifications. No. Where are the notifications here? I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Anyway, let's see what you guys been talking about while I was gone. Let's see. Daniel B is a savage. Yes, he is. No. They're luring people to buy a course. Strategy is what he is selling, and it's not for beginners or really advanced traders. Yeah, his strategy is something serious. Yes, I am one life, but remember, Mafia know where you are living. Where did this conversation go? Mafia? What? Mafia know where you're living. ALF. Looking real questionable right there. So it came up to this point and looks like it wants to dive, man. 10:50, almost 11 o'clock. I was looking for some more opportunities, but it seems like it doesn't want me to get back in here. 22s, like I said, these can go up quick, but they can go down even faster. So this is a 3-bar play for the shorts. This is a 1, but it did get some buying pressure, so it kind of messed up the strat a little bit. And it got this, got the longs in here right there, and this is the rest of the 3-bar play. It should break this bottom here on this candle. That bottom is a 21.88. Should snap through it if this is a 3-bar play. Okay, didn't get it. So that messed up the 3-bar play setup. Ooh. Your high here, 23.62. 61. Wonder why it gave me that message. Usually it doesn't give me any message. I guess I could just mark it in and mark it out. That's what I'll do. Since it's just 2 shares, we'll see how much we can make on 2 shares. Oh my gosh. I feel so broke right now. Okay, message coming in. Who's messaging me right now? Historic heat, likely, dangerous, volcanoes, blah blah blah. Okay. Well, the end of the world is coming. We already know that. Alright. It's just sucking in a lot of longs. It may keep going higher, but I just don't know if it can. It's already low float, so it can be very sporadic. And a lot of the normal psychology that you would see doesn't work in these. In these stocks, stupid gets paid. Or stupid can get paid. You have the potential to get paid a lot better than the more higher price stocks or the larger market caps. Daniel B knows. He's seen me get paid multiple times, and he always calls me stupid every single day, either stupid or Paul, which is not my name. All right, I think I'm pretty much done for the day. I came back from the nice red to green move. I don't know what else to ask for. Can't really ask for much. $23.65. Can we get over those 60s? $23.14, slamming down there all the way under the 23s down to the 22.75. Not looking good. ALF. Slowed down quite a bit. Look at this volume. 97,000 when it was just, what, 500,000? Not looking too nice. Maybe getting ready for a drop. ALF. Consolidated there quite nicely. But it looks like it's forming a pennant. So it has a trend line here, right here, and then the pennant is formed right here. So another trend line coming in, and we don't know which way it's gonna go right here. That's the pennant. So it could go up, could go down, but I'm not gonna risk it because it has way more potential to go down than up. Well, actually it doesn't. It's above VWAP, but it's already bounced out VWAP 1, 2, and then kind of 3 right there. So I would definitely expect a little bit of a drop here. Alright, back over here where things have completely dropped off. It should have opened up a new candle. I don't see the new candle here. That's how I know the volume is drying out. Even the new candles are taking a minute to come through. There's the new candle finally, 21 seconds in, then you get a new candle. Not a lot of volume there. 23.68. 23.60s. Maybe a sporadic stock. Let's see. I didn't even mark this. I don't even know what the range is. So it has a range from there. Resistance up here. Got a range in here. See how it reacts up here to the 50. Can it hold the 50s? Will it break the 30s there? Yep, broke the 30s right there. A little bit of weakness. We'll wait. ALF coming into this pennant, and it's looking like it's gravitating to the lower side of the pennant. So once it breaks this level, it's going to be a nice move downwards for it. I mean, a nice move. Okay. This one's also looking heavy. ALF looking for the breakdown here. Low is 1880. Can it break down that 1880? I'm not going to touch it. This one did a double top here, high of the 60, 62. Not really a double top, 2 cents away from being a double top. But just a lot of risk right now involved in any trades here. Alright guys, so I'm going to get ready to close it down. I'm not even going to play with this last $57. I'll let it roll over till Monday. Alright, so let's go ahead and get ready to shut down. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that like button. Hopefully you enjoyed the stream, even though it started really rough, down $100. Had to make that back. Came back to a green day. I'm done risking for the day. It is 11 o'clock now, so I'm going to go and get me something to eat. And you guys, if you're going to continue trading, please be careful. It is risky. This is a cash account that I'm trading, and this is my own money. So it's not like a margin account where, you know, I'm trading someone else's money. This is my own money. When you see me lose $100, that's $100 of my money that's gone. But anyway, have a good one. Remember, you can check out the content Daniel B dropped in the chat, or any of the other content, and just see what works for you. But anyway, that is it. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.